Hey everyone, today let's dive into how you can check your Costco credit card balance. Stick around till the end to grasp all the details. The Costco Anywhere credit card is offered by Citibank, which means you'll need the Citibank app to view your balance. Here's how you can do it. Firstly, ensure you've registered and activated your Citibank online account. Open the Citi mobile app, input your user ID and password, and select your Costco Anywhere credit card on the homepage. There you'll see your credit card balance and the amount you currently owe. Alternatively, you can call customer support at 1-800-9505-114 to inquire about your balance. Another method is to check online. Visit Citi.com link in the description, enter your login credentials, and click on your Costco Anywhere credit card to view various details, including your balance limit and amount owed. And there you have it. Checking your Costco credit card balance is that simple. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time.